Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared minus 2s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First derivative of 2s, you got about number 2. Because we don't have number 2 and number 2, we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S minus 1 ds, we change by du over number 2. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.